two main business models right now are Amazon and Facebook shops. So one is, a lower barrier of entry with Facebook shops, 3,500, compared to, a lot of people are charging anywhere from $20,000 to $40,000 for it. But we have a pretty good process and a good team of people that are running our stores for us. Amazon is our baby. We've been running Amazon stores for about a year. My partner Damon, who's on the line with us right now, he's been doing Amazon for about 2 years. And is almost this year is probably going to do close to between $700,000 and $1 million in sales. I've been friends with Damon for about 25 years, and I've been friends with Eric for about another 25 years as well. I ended up bringing these two together because I saw the power of what Eric could do, and I saw what Damon was doing. So the three of us partnered up, and I go by Tony usually. Eric is E, and then Damon is D, which brought up TED Associates. So TED Associates is our company name, but our branding for our automation company is called TED Talks Automation. So those are the main ones. A lot of the other things on the site, we contract out to companies like Wealth Accelerators or other trusted partners that we've developed relationships over the last year. So it's depending on like YouTube or like trucking, for example. But Facebook and Amazon are two babies that we kind of run ourselves. So those are our favorite opportunities right now, obviously, but I think the most opportunity in those. The difference is Amazon, we do FBA. We don't do any drop shipping on Amazon. And then Facebook's more of a drop shipping model. We do have a system that's going to be coming into place here where we will be able to do retail or wholesale drop shipping through Amazon and Facebook, where we're going to be able to actually buy directly from the wholesaler and drop ship it to the customer. So a lot better ROI than doing just retail arbitrage. And then we have an entire system that we're putting together with a buying club and software that's going to be able to broadcast all of our different products over one platform and be able to auto post to your eBay and the Facebook and Etsy and a few other different platforms.